GS Strategist online program is an uniquely designed course which uses the power of artificial intelligence and information technology to gift you all an option to prepare IAS exam in learn at home mode with high degree of flexi learning experience, that is, learn at your place, learn at your pace, learn at your convenience and comfort within the larger window of time. This meticulously conceptualized and uniquely designed program is intended to cover the general studies syllabus prescribed by UPSC for civil service examination in a highly comprehensive manner. The program will run strictly in accordance with the course planner for timely, systematic and rhythmic completion of the course. In the program, classes will be held every day at designated time, and those who may miss will have the option to view the classes at their convenience and time of their choice. The most striking feature of this program is that the static portion of general studies will be covered through meticulously crafted and created highly engaging video content, whereas the entire dynamic portion of GS syllabus will be covered only through live sessions. Every class will be followed by 30 minutes exclusive doubt clearing session, and this will help you to ensure that you move through the course with complete conceptual clarity and better grasps over all topics prescribed within the syllabus. The most important facet of this program is that Wednesday and Saturday would be live sessions. The Wednesday live session will be to cover the dynamic portion of GS, which will be highly contemporary and analytical in nature, and Saturday live session will be on current affairs with the purpose to keep you all fully updated and informed about all current and contemporary developments on which you may expect questions in the prelims, the main or any other competitive exam. The focus of the program will not only be on providing content but also on providing participants an opportunity to track their own progress through descriptive and objective tests. Towards the end of each session, you will be provided descriptive as well as objective questions for practice with an unique feature to write an answer for descriptive questions, submit it online, and the evaluated answer will be sent back to you with detailed feedback. To cater the specific needs of preliminary examination, the participants of this program will be provided access to Prelims Score, an intelligent and smart testing platform on which we have put 10,000 plus UPSC compatible MCQs for practice. These questions are from NCERT books. These questions are from previous year of UPSC civil service examination. These questions are classified subject wise, topic wise, difficulty level wise, and each question is supplemented with video explanation in the form of answer. The participants of this course will be provided study material on day-to-day basis in PDF format which can be downloaded. The participants will be given the option to subscribe the GS kit, which will include 25 booklets in colored pages along with 6 leading titles from the House of Wizard plus many other components. The assurance which I would like to give to the participants of this program that only dream which we have is to see your dream come true.